Hi everyone, my name is Zainab Aregbe with Dallien Realty, and welcome to today's session on real estate investment tips. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the advantages of structuring your real estate investments can make a significant difference in your financial success. Today, we'll explore 4 benefits of utilizing a limited liability company, LLC, for your real estate ventures. Number 1. Liability protection. One of the primary advantages of structuring a real estate investment under an LLC is the limited liability protection it affords. By establishing the investment within the confines of an LLC, investors shield their personal assets from potential legal claims or liabilities associated with the property. This means that in the event of unforeseen circumstances or lawsuits, your personal assets remain protected. Here's an example. Lola and TK are real estate investors who decide to purchase a rental property as an investment. They choose to structure their investment under an LLC, which they named LT Real Estate Holdings. Several years later, a tenant in their rental property slips and falls, resulting in a serious injury. The tenant decides to sue Lola and TK for negligence, seeking compensation for medical expenses and lost wages. Because Lola and TK structured their investment under an LLC, their personal assets such as savings accounts, cars, and personal property are shielded from the lawsuit. The liability is limited to the assets held within the LLC, which in this case are the rental property and the associated funds specifically invested in that property. Even if the court rules in favor of the tenant and awards damages, Lola and TK's personal assets remain protected. The LLC's assets may be used to satisfy the legal claims, but their personal finances and assets are not at risk. Another one would be tax efficiency. Purchasing real estate under LLC can offer tax benefits, including the ability to pass through profits and losses directly to individual members. Additionally, LLCs may qualify for certain deductions and exemptions, providing investors with opportunities to optimize their tax liabilities. By structuring your investment in this way, you can potentially lower your overall tax burden and maximize your returns. Number 3, asset protection. What do I mean by that? In the event of legal disputes or financial challenges, structuring real estate investment under an LLC can safeguard the property from being seized to satisfy personal debts or obligations of the individual investors. This means that even if one of the members faces financial difficulties, the assets held within the LLC, such as properties, are protected from being used to settle personal debts. Lastly, we have privacy. Utilizing an LLC to purchase real estate, especially in areas like New York City, can afford investors a degree of privacy. Ownership details are typically registered under the LLC's name rather than individual names, offering anonymity in certain transactions. This can be particularly advantageous for those who prefer to keep their real estate holdings private or separate from their personal identities. In summary, structuring your real estate investment under an LLC can provide several benefits, including liability protection, tax efficiency, asset protection, and privacy. By understanding and leveraging these advantages, investors can mitigate risk and optimize their investment strategies for long-term success. Thank you for joining today's session, and I hope you found these tips valuable for your real estate ventures. Again, my name is Zainab Aregbe with Dallien Real Estate. If you're looking to invest in New York City, my contact information is below.